Hi, and welcome to Grown Up Guide Pup. A few weeks ago, we had the opportunity to take Ricky to the Guide Dogs for the Blind annual holiday fundraiser luncheon at the Westin St. Francis in San Francisco. So the day of the holiday luncheon, it was raining up in San Francisco, and this was a great chance for us to expose Ricky to working in the rain. It's been raining a fair amount this year in the Bay Area, and not knowing where Ricky may end up, she may go to live in a place where there's a lot of rain. So of course we need to get Ricky ready for anything, and that includes all kinds of weather. So as we were walking to the Westin St. Francis, we passed through Union Square. And as always in San Francisco, we came across some pigeons. If you've seen week 29, you know Ricky can be very distracted by birds. So Ricky continues to show improvement with her bird distraction. She handled it really well. The rain was coming down on her, there were birds walking around her. She was looking at them, but she wasn't overall distracted by them and was able to maintain focus and keep moving forward towards the hotel like I wanted her to. As we were waiting on the street corner to cross the street to go into the hotel, a cable car passed us, and this proved to be another opportunity to expose Ricky to more sights and sounds that she hasn't seen yet. I never know what's going to cross our paths, so I always take any opportunity I can to expose Ricky to anything new as far as sights, sounds, and smells. To enter the Westin St. Francis Hotel, we had to go through a glass revolving door. So we took her through a couple of times just to make sure she got comfortable with it. We also had to make sure that not many people were going through at the same time as us to make sure she didn't get her tail caught or her nose caught. After a couple times of her going through, she handled it like a pro. As we walked through the lobby, it was totally decked out for Christmas, so we gave Ricky an opportunity to check out all the different Christmas decorations, and one of them happened to be a miniature train, which she was very curious about because it made some really cute, interesting noises. She's never seen a toy train before, and in Ricky fashion, she wants to check everything out and try to figure out what it is. The Guide Dogs for the Blind Holiday Luncheon is one of the biggest fundraisers of the year for this organization. They are a nonprofit school that works solely on private donations. They receive no government funding and provide their services free of charge. They cover all costs of a guide dog, offering free tuition in the form of travel, instruction, room and board, follow-up support, and financial assistance with veterinary care for all their graduates for as long as they qualify for a guide. The school currently has approximately 2,200 active teams like Seth and Bamboo, and also graduates about 300 new working teams each year. They currently have about 265 employees, but are very dependent on their 951 campus volunteers that help out at both campuses. There are approximately 1,400 volunteer puppy raisers like Matt and I. We donate our time and some of our money to house and feed these puppies for the entire time that we have them, with about 850 active puppies, like Ricky in the program. So it takes a whole community to raise these dogs and get them ready for their blind partners from so many different sources. So after hearing all that is involved, you can see why it's so important to have fundraisers like this.
For the 2,200 grads like me who see through our guides every day, thank you. For the over 12,000 who have enjoyed seeing again over the years because of guide dogs, and for the thousands of men and women who will see because of you, thank you.
So at the end of the luncheon, we ran into Ricky's mom, Tulin, again. We were a little surprised to see them, but once again, the two dogs were very happy and excited to be reunited. Even though it's been a while since Tulin has seen Ricky, being the great mom that she is, she still recognizes Ricky as one of her puppies. We'd like to send a huge thank you to Guide Dogs for the Blind for allowing us to attend the event and to share with our viewers all the information about their organization. So if you'd like to find out more, visit their website, www.guidedogs.com, or you can click on the link in the information box just below the video if you're on YouTube. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Growing Up Guide Pup.